to make a Greek style Cobb salad. Now, if you are not familiar with what a Cobb salad is, it's basically a deconstructed salad that's laid on top of chopped romaine lettuce, and we're going to take it a little international, and we're going to use Greek style ingredients. We're going to use our Greek marinated grilled chicken. We're going to use this creamy dressing that we made with the dill and the chives, and it's kind of like a tzatziki, but it's not as chunky and it's not as thick. So we're gonna just go ahead. The whole deal of a Cobb salad, it's all about presentation. So I'm just going to use my hands, and I'm going to make beautiful rows of these ingredients. We'll put down our cucumbers, and I'm going to put the tomatoes down on the opposite side. I have some red onion. I'm going to just put some down here in the corner. And this is where you can start to have some fun. I'm going to put the pepperoncinis right here, and the olives. This seriously, it smells like a hoagie in here. It's delicious. I'm going to put some of these artichoke hearts over here. And you can see we're just building it a little bit different. Instead of doing all stripes, we're just going to segment what's left of this dish. We'll put some roasted red peppers right here and some of these marinated mushrooms. These are delicious. We'll take this feta cheese and we'll sprinkle it over. I'll put that much, and then if people want to add more to their dish, then they'll be free to do that when we serve dinner. Well, there you have it. There's our beautiful, colorful, and amazing looking Greek inspired Cobb salad. I know that my family is going to love enjoying this, and we have other meals planned that are going to use some of the ingredients that we've incorporated here, so nothing is going to go to waste in the coming days. So you can see we've incorporated all these marinated vegetables, our grilled Greek style chicken, cucumbers, fresh tomatoes, onions, and feta cheese. We're going to be serving this with our creamy cucumber dressing that I made in a previous video. I'll leave a link down below where you can find it, or in an iCard here on the screen in case you missed it. You can go watch that when you're done here. This couldn't be easier. There are so many different opportunities for you to make a Cobb salad that you love the most. What are some of your favorite ethnic style cuisines that you could adapt into a Cobb salad? Right, let's get started putting together this Southwestern style Cobb salad. I know that this is like a totally weird and different spin on a traditional Cobb salad. I have not chosen to put any bacon in this or hard cooked egg, but up to you. You can always add it to yours and make it your own. What I'm going to start with is a bed of greens. I have a mixture here of romaine, iceberg, and spinach. So I'm going to go ahead and fix up a bed of greens. And this is a single serving. This is a dinner salad, so we'll be having this for dinner tonight. I will probably be the only one who has one like this. So, right. Now, a Cobb salad, if you're not familiar, traditionally is served where all of the ingredients are kind of lined up soldier style down the plate. So I'm going to start by putting my chicken right down the middle. And then I'm going to put some of this corn, roasted corn and bean salsa that I made in another video. And then I'm going to put some avocado that I have squeezed some lime over the top of. And then we'll do a little bit of green onion, some cucumber, a little tomato, and some cheddar cheese or whatever's your preference. If you like Jack or something else, you go right ahead. Now what we're going to do is we're going to top this off with a nice drizzle of our homemade chipotle honey lime vinaigrette. And with dressing, personal preference, you put as little or as much as you like. So there you have it. A delicious Southwest style Cobb salad my way. You like to add bacon or hard-cooked egg, you go right ahead. And also, you can serve this family style for a big party or a buffet. You just make it on the biggest platter that you can find. So, I hope you give this Southwest Cobb salad a try, and I hope that you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.